Hi. Initially, we are importing the libraries like sequentials, numpys, pyplot, dense, and categories, and the load models. And then first we need to display the image of the trained data, and then we have processed the data and convert each image into the shape of 28 into 28 to 784 dimension, which will be fed to the network as a signal future. And then we have converted the data to float value and scale values between 0 and 1 and scale the values between 0 and 1. And the scale data is trained data with 255.0 and the test data is like 255.0. These are float values. And then we have changed the labels from integers to one hot encoding. And then we created a network using these sequentials. And then we have added more dense layers. After that, we have validated data, history data, and we have compiled the model. And finally, we have summarized the history of the accuracy with the graph between accuracy and epoch. We have it has been displayed here. And then finally, we have summarized the history of loss. In the second program, the same thing, we have imported the library sequentials, uh, plots, and everything similar to the first one. And then we have displayed the first image in the training data set, and then we have processed the data and converting each image with 28 into 28 to 784 dimension, which lead to the network as a signal future. And then we have converted the float data into the float and the scale values between and scale the values between 0 and 1, and the train data scale is 255 and the test one is 255. And then we have changed the labels from integers to one hot encoding, and then created the network. And finally, we have find the accuracy and we have evaluated the result on test data. And then we have summarized the history for accuracy.
Okay, thank you, Leela. In third problem, same as remaining two, we are first importing the libraries. We are loading the data. After that, we are processing the data and converting each image of shape 28 into 28 to 784 dimensional, which will be fed to the network as a single feature. And then we are converting the data to float and scale values between 0 and 1. And then we are changing the labels from integer to one hot encoding. Then we are creating the network. After that, we are using compile method to find the accuracy. Then by using fit method, we are fitting the data, and after that, we are evaluating the result of test data. Next, in the fourth one also same. First we are importing the libraries, then loading the train and test data, and after that displaying the first image in the training data. Then we are processing the data. Here we are converting the shape of the image. Then we are converting the data to float and scale values. Then we are scaling the data. Then we are changing the labels from integer to one hot encoding. After that, we are building the models by using this dense method, uh, and then we are finding the accuracy by evaluating the model. And for the last one, for the last one, same, we are importing the libraries and processing the data, and after that we are scaling them, and then we are changing the labels from integer to one hot encoding. After that we are creating the network, and then we are evaluating the data. uh, then we are predicting these by using the predict method. We are predicting the result, predicting the design, and then we are also representing it in the graphical format. Thank you.